Hello, my UOP friends. This is Terry McAteer, and I'm going to come to you again with two classes this coming semester. One is a Thursday lecture that I'll be talking about California's governmental systems. We know so much about the federal government having, two houses and the executive branch and the judicial branch, but California's system is much different. As a matter of fact, we stole most of our Constitution from Iowa. So when we learn about California, we'll actually be learning about Iowa and how their system is set up, because it's different. It's different from the federal government, how our judicial branch is established, what the powers of our legislative branch are, and certainly the executive branch of government in this state is much different than our federal government. So during this Thursday lecture, I'll be discussing that and comparing and contrasting, so you'll have a much better understanding of the state of California's governmental system. My second class happens to be a two-part class in which I'm looking at the worst presidents of the United States. No, this is not a political statement on Mr. Trump. We're not going to discuss him too much, but it is going to mainly be about those other presidents, the Franklin Pierces of the world that are we sort of pass them over. The Warren G. Hardings, who had an illegitimate child while in office. Those kinds of great stories we'll be sharing over this two-part class in the fall. So I hope you'll join me. It's a romp through California's legislative system, and it's also a romp through some really unique characters who became president of the United States. See you then. Thank you. Bye-bye now.